Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna play Gunfight Arena. I forgot the game. I forgot the name. I almost forgot the name. I finished my exam now. I'm ready to play. To record. Anyway, let's deploy! This is very detailed, by the way. Can't believe this is for mobile. Bro, I'm lagging so hard. Forgot everything. Oh! I'm throwing a grenade for ya. Wait. Woo! I got him! I got him! Behind you, bro! Napatay mo naman sila! I dropped my gun! Don't worry guys, I'll drop! Ow! I forgot I was going to say! Well, that was easy. 10? Well, that was easy. 2 tags. I joined too late. The station is too easy for me. Let's try it. The station is too easy for me. Let's try it. Give me the launcher. Whoa! I'm throwing the grenade! Take cover! Oh my god, they're all here! They're here already! Everyone take cover! I'm bad at aiming, so... I'm so bad at aiming, bro. Got him. Headshot. Let's go, headshot. Let's go. I'm throwing at the grenade. Shaboom. Lag. I was lagging. Got him. Reload my... I can't believe a snowball so good. Snowball gives good damage. Oh my god! Oh! Got him! Ang daming enemy! Ang dami! Mag-victim tayo! What? Burn mouse knight? Excuse me? I was trying to He's at my... Oh my god! What? level up, hey. Oh my god! God! Oh god! I was teamed. Totally teamed. I got 12 kills right now. I don't want to use my launcher yet. I have an idea. Whoa. I'll hold them off here. Radar. Good! Someone stole my kill. Where are they? Reload. What? Boy, I was teamed. Lag. That was it. Assist? I didn't assist. He stole my kill. Oh! Got him. I stole his kill. Grenade! What? I'm confused. I killed myself. I ain't no bro. I don't need help. Okay, I need help. Never mind, I need help, bro. You hold him up. I feel like I'm the main character right now. Radar. I'm coming! You boy, I was teamed. Where's my bruh? Where was my grenade at? I don't know. Yup, got him. Whoa, why is there so much? Why is there so much people in the way, bro? Why is there so much, bro? Get your face off my face. How are you? Hey, double kill. Radar. There's three. Reload! Go ahead. This round, I got them with ease, bro. I actually meant to not kill them. Bro, but it's broken. Boy, bro, that's it. Did you just? Bro, just shoot him, bro. That's brutal. Bro, lagging, it's hard. Bro, lagging a hard time. Give me the rocket launcher, bro. Kaboom! Then I don't. That's why I don't like getting the launcher. That's so annoying. Whoa, 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 whoa! Fire in the hole! Double! Oh, 3 kills streak, nice. Reload. One more minute. Ah! Bro, sneak at me. Bro's a spy. Bro's a spy, bro. Bro thinks he's. Why is his name like Monkey Spider? Radar. Oh my god! Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. That's a lot of enemies. I wasn't paying attention. Really. What's it? So that was cringe. Egg? Your name's an egg? Boy! I gotta say this game is highly detailed and amazing. Fire in the hole! Never mind, you guys. Noob! Technical noob! Easy. That's all for this video, guys. I can subscribe for more. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.